In this first unsettling moment, a man inside his home experiences a spine-chilling moment that sends fear coursing through him.
On Kent's phone, he recorded a dark, shadowy figure standing at the end of his bed. The figure seems to nudge the bed a few times before quickly disappearing. Kent's viewers were amazed by this footage, with many saying it's the best evidence of a ghost they've ever seen on video. But what do you think? Is Kent's house truly haunted by ghosts as he believes? Daniel Thompson posted a creepy story on his channel about living with his mother in a 3-story house filled with eerie antiques and valuable items. The house has a spooky feel to it, and 2 items particularly disturb him: a porcelain doll at the entrance and a creepy dollhouse. Daniel mentions that the dollhouse acts strangely. In a video, he tries to describe the weird events and remembers hearing tapping noises coming from the room where the dollhouse is kept.
Don't know how to explain it. The only thing I can say that has happened with it is sometimes when I walk by, or the bathroom's back there, and I walk through and I hear like tapping coming from this room. It's like
The dollhouse is located in his sister's old room, and Daniel now thinks the noises are coming from inside the dollhouse itself. One night, as he walked past the room, he sensed that something wasn't right. He managed to record something truly unsettling on camera.
Do you hear that? Those are the tapping noises I was talking about. Where is this coming from? It's like knocking at the door. Hello?
In this mysterious moment, as the night deepened, a man hears an eerie knock emanating from his store, where he keeps an antique doll. Curious yet unsettled, he cautiously approaches, but finds nothing amiss as the persistent knocking continues.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this perplexing clip, a woman finds herself drawn to review the surveillance camera footage from inside her home. What she discovers sends a chill through her very core, the unmistakable sight of her doll's eyes blinking, repeatedly and unnaturally. Shocked and unnerved by this inexplicable phenomenon, she grapples with the eerie realization that something supernatural may be at play within the familiar confines of her own dwelling. This harrowing moment not only disturbs her but also forces her to confront the unsettling possibility that the boundaries between the living and the unknown may be blurred in ways she never imagined. In this unsettling tale clip, a man and his family begin to feel an unsettling unease lingering in the air. Determined to unravel the source of their discomfort, they embark on a thorough search of the house. Their exploration leads them to a startling discovery, a hidden basement concealed within the depths of their new residence. What they find inside chills them to the bone, a space shrouded in darkness, filled with ominous silence and unknown secrets. The eerie atmosphere and mysterious contents of this hidden chamber send shivers down their spines, raising questions about the history and mysteries concealed within their own walls.
There's a bunch of stuff in here. Yeah. Let me try to get through. It's just like a whole room back here. And there's arcade machines. There's arcade machines, 3 of them. There's a closet.
30 years old, 40 years old.
I don't know. Yeah, and this Xbox, there's like newer stuff in here.
Go out here.
This,
help me get the rest of this down so I can fit in here.
There's so much stuff in here. There's like tools too.
Oh, hey, what is that? Where you were?
What are you talking about?
Right there, right there, right there.
What the, oh.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents.
In this perplexing clip, as a homeowner films her playful cat inside the comfort of her home, capturing a delightful moment of feline antics with her phone camera. The ordinary scene takes an unexpected turn. Suddenly, something strange unfolds before their eyes, a subtle shift in the air, a flicker of movement where none should be. What begins as a light-hearted recording of pet antics swiftly transforms into a moment of eerie suspense. In this unravel clip, moving into their new home filled the family with hope and excitement, but soon they began to notice unsettling occurrences. In the quiet moments, strange sounds echoed through the halls, and fleeting shadows danced at the corners of their vision. The man and his family, puzzled and increasingly uneasy, embarked on a quest to uncover the source of these unexplained phenomena. As they delved deeper into their investigation, the boundary between normalcy and the inexplicable blurs, leading them to confront the unsettling possibility that their new abode holds secrets darker than they ever imagined.
Hello? Hey, no, stay there. Hey. Dude. It's okay. It's okay.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.